In a historic move, Japan has proposed transferring up to 6 Abukuma-class destroyer escorts to the Philippine Navy, a first in its post-war history. This unprecedented offer marks a significant departure from Japan's traditionally cautious approach to military exports, reflecting a new era in its defense posture. This is not a commercial sale, but a strategic transfer, signaling Japan's evolving defense policy and its commitment to regional security. The move demonstrates Tokyo's willingness to take a more proactive role in supporting its allies and partners, especially in the face of rising tensions in the Indo-Pacific. The offer is a direct response to the shifting Indo-Pacific landscape, aiming to strengthen allies like the Philippines against growing maritime challenges. As regional waters become increasingly contested, Japan's support is crucial for maintaining stability and freedom of navigation. By equipping Manila, Japan is investing in a more resilient Southeast Asian security network, countering China's assertiveness in the South China Sea. These ships will enhance the Philippines' ability to patrol its waters, protect its interests, and respond to emergencies at sea. The transfer is a tangible step in Japan's vision for a free and open Indo-Pacific, built on capable, like-minded partners. It also sends a clear message to other regional actors about the strength of Japan-Philippines cooperation. For the Philippines, this is a rare chance to boost its naval power with larger, more capable ships than it currently possesses. The Abukuma-class destroyers will significantly upgrade the Philippine Navy's operational reach and deterrence capabilities. The move reflects a deepening defense relationship between the two island nations, rooted in shared democratic values and mutual security concerns. It also opens the door for expanded training, joint exercises, and greater interoperability between their navies. This isn't just about hardware, it's a powerful symbol of a strengthening alliance. The gesture underscores a growing trust and a shared vision for peace and stability in the region. The proposed transfer marks a new era in Japan-Philippines defense cooperation, with implications for the entire region. As both countries look to the future, this partnership could become a cornerstone of regional security architecture in the Indo-Pacific. The Abukuma-class destroyer escorts are purpose-built for both anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare, making them versatile assets in any naval fleet. These ships were developed by Japan to counter a wide range of maritime threats, and their design reflects decades of experience in naval engineering. They feature stealthy profiles that help reduce their visibility to enemy sensors, along with advanced radar and sensor systems that were considered cutting-edge for their era. This combination allows them to detect and track threats at greater distances, giving them a tactical edge. With a displacement of 2,500 tons and a top speed of 27 knots, these ships would instantly become some of the largest and most capable in the Philippine fleet. Their size and speed enable them to operate effectively in both coastal and open ocean environments, supporting a wide range of missions. Each vessel is armed with Harpoon anti-ship missiles for surface warfare, ASROC anti-submarine rockets to counter underwater threats, torpedo tubes, and a rapid-firing 76mm naval gun for engaging surface and air targets. For close-in defense, the ships are equipped with a phalanx CIUS, providing a crucial last line of protection against incoming missiles and aircraft, ensuring layered defense capabilities. Though over 30 years old, their robust construction and regular maintenance mean their capabilities remain highly relevant for the Philippines, especially as the Navy embarks on a major modernization drive to address new security challenges. The timing is ideal. The first Abukuma class is set for retirement in 2027, perfectly aligning with Manila's urgent need to strengthen its maritime forces and fill critical gaps in its fleet. For the Philippine Navy, acquiring these ships would represent a quantum leap in patrol, deterrence, and maritime defense, allowing the country to better safeguard its territorial waters and respond to regional threats. The Abukuma class offers an off-the-shelf solution to close critical capability gaps, providing proven technology and immediate operational value to the Philippine fleet. The transfer process has moved from concept to action, marking a significant milestone in the evolving defense partnership between Japan and the Philippines. A dedicated Philippine Navy team has traveled to Japan, conducting a thorough hands-on inspection of the ships being considered for transfer. Their technical assessment is comprehensive, covering propulsion systems, advanced sensors, and weapons. Every critical component is scrutinized to ensure the ships will meet the operational needs of the Philippine fleet. The team's detailed report will serve as a crucial guide for the Department of National Defense, outlining not just costs but also the challenges of integration, training requirements, and long-term maintenance commitments. Ultimately, the final decision rests with top Philippine defense officials, who must carefully balance the strategic advantages of acquiring these ships against the realities of budget constraints and future obligations. Japan's defense minister has publicly confirmed the country's readiness to transfer the ships, naming the Philippines as the primary candidate and highlighting the growing trust between the two nations. The deal is expected to be structured under Japan's official security assistance program, likely as a grant or on highly favorable terms, making it a rare opportunity for the Philippines to modernize its fleet. Japanese industry will take on the task of refitting and upgrading the ships, ensuring they are fully operational and tailored for Philippine Navy requirements before the transfer is finalized. This approach not only keeps costs manageable for the Philippines but also deepens industrial cooperation and technological exchange between the two countries. In the coming months, as both sides finalize details and address remaining challenges, the world will be watching to see if this landmark transfer becomes a reality, setting a new precedent for regional security cooperation. The Philippines, with its vast coastline and ongoing maritime disputes, urgently needs more capable warships. The Abukuma class would dramatically expand the Navy's reach and presence, especially in contested waters like the West Philippine Sea. These ships bridge the gap between current capabilities and long-term modernization goals. Critically, they introduce credible anti-submarine warfare, a first for the Philippine Navy. Their robust armament and endurance make them ideal for patrolling and defending strategic areas. The transfer would boost morale, professionalism, and deterrence, sending a clear message about Manila's resolve. It's not just about new ships, it's about building a confident, capable force for 21st century challenges. The Abukuma class could truly redefine the Philippines' maritime defense posture. Acquiring 6 Abukuma-class ships is a major opportunity, but it comes with real challenges. Sustainment is key. These aging vessels require specialized maintenance and a steady supply of spare parts, likely involving close ties with Japanese contractors. Integrating them into a growing fleet will strain personnel, training, and infrastructure, especially as the Navy awaits new facilities. Training crews for advanced anti-submarine warfare will demand comprehensive programs, likely with Japanese support. Operational costs, fuel, maintenance, upgrades will be substantial, even if the ships themselves are a grant. Without sustained funding, these assets could become liabilities. A realistic, long-term budget is essential for keeping these ships combat-ready. The Philippine Navy must weigh the benefits against the full cost of ownership. This warship transfer is the latest step in a deepening Japan-Philippines security partnership. Over the past decade, Japan has supplied the Philippines with patrol vessels, aircraft, and advanced radar systems, boosting maritime and aerial surveillance. Joint military exercises have become routine, building interoperability and trust between the two forces. In 2025, the two nations signed a reciprocal access agreement, allowing for joint training and deployments, mirroring similar pacts with the U.S. These legal and practical frameworks have paved the way for more ambitious cooperation. The Abukuma-class transfer marks a shift from patrol craft to major combatants, reflecting new levels of trust and strategic alignment. This partnership is now a cornerstone of regional security. The alliance is evolving, with each step building a stronger, more resilient defense network. The Abukuma-class transfer has regional implications far beyond Japan and the Philippines. It signals a maturing partnership and a new model of allied cooperation in the Indo-Pacific, with middle powers taking greater initiative. For Manila, it's a leap in naval capability and sovereignty. For Tokyo, a bold step as a proactive security provider. The move counters coercion in Southeast Asia, especially from China, and strengthens a networked security approach among U.S. allies and partners. This trend, minilateralism, complements traditional alliances, creating a more distributed, resilient security architecture. The arrival of these warships would symbolize a promised deeper partnership, stronger defense, and a shared commitment to a free and open maritime order. The future of Indo-Pacific security is being shaped by dynamic, multi-layered partnerships like this one.